In this video I'm going to show you how to color grade images in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on filter, then we click on camera raw filter, and here we just scroll down in the right side, and under color grading we find these circles. Here we can set the color for the shadows, for the highlights, and then for the midtones, like this. And then we can set the luminance as well, and saturation for each. For example, for shadows, let's use this much. For the midtones, a bit more. Then for the highlights, just the same little amount, like this. Maybe like this. And yeah, you can play around these settings and set it up as you like. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.